Subscribe to my channel for more quiz videos on science and technology. What is the main goal of National S&T policy? To foster a culture of innovation. Which of these is a key objective of national strategies and missions? To address societal challenges. How does the S&T policy encourage public participation? Both A and B. What is the full form of DST? The agency responsible for formulating S&T policy. Department of Science and Technology. What is a major challenge in implementing national strategies and missions? All of the above. How does the S&T policy aim to improve the quality of healthcare? By developing new vaccines and drugs. What is the term used for the rapid development of new technologies? Technological disruption. What is a major focus of the Gaganyaan mission? Sending humans into space. How does the S&T policy promote sustainable development? Both A and B. Which of these is not an ethical concern associated with artificial intelligence? Increased productivity. What is the role of research and development institutions in the S&T policy? To conduct cutting-edge research. How does the S&T policy address the issue of climate change? Both A and B. What is the term used for the interconnection of various technologies to create new innovations? Technological convergence. What is the importance of national strategies and missions in achieving the goals of the S&T policy? Both A and B. Which of these is not a focus area of the S&T policy? Social sciences. What is the primary focus of the Make in India initiative? To boost domestic manufacturing. What year was the current S&T policy launched? 2020. What emerging technology focuses on developing human-like intelligence in machines? Artificial intelligence. What is the name of the mission that aims to connect rural India with high-speed internet? Digital India. Thank you for watching.